ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। येन धौता गिरः पुंसाम् विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहम् पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। हरि ओम। We are seeing kam dhatu lung lakara, and we saw the prakriya for achi kamata. The main sutra we saw, that was sanval laguni chang pare naglope. The sanvad bhava happens to abhyasa. This sanvat, the shabda, Prachita ji had asked the question. So sanvat bhava here, sanvat does not mean सन के जैसा चंग को कार्य होगा. Not like sun, chang is becoming like sun.
Matu pratyaya.
Vatu pratyaya. That is, here the meaning is iva, just like, and that will happen to not to sun, not to chang, but whatever artha goes like this. Whatever is there happening because of sun, or in the case of sun, to whatever, there will be something, and it is going through the modification while sun being there. So sun is in Saptami Vibhakti. So that thing will happen while whatever the some other pratyay is there being in front. So the conditions are given. There is chang, then now, and then laghu akshara, and then abhyasa will get sanvat karya. Sanvat karya means whatever happens in the case of sun. So here vatu pratyaya, sorry, not vatu pratyaya, vati pratyaya has come in the sense of iva. Tasyeva is the sutra, and by that sutra this iva pratyaya happens. For example, example is given, Mathurayam iva durgah Ayodhyayam asti. So here, Durga, Mathura is shabda in Saptami Vibhakti. So this tasya, tatra tasyeva is the sutra, not tasyeva, tatra tasyeva, meaning Saptamyanta pada and Shashtyanta pada. In that or of that, whatever is there, that will happen like that. Yes, Swamiji?
Yeah, correct. No, I'm just this one.
So that is the meaning. Now we will move to the next. Be a little bit hurried. Next form we will see. Revision will happen automatically. From Dhana, Ning. Ning will come by
Kamerning.
Kamerning.
Kamerning. Kamerning. Okay. Upada Vruddhi will happen by
Ata upadhayaha.
So Upadhayaha. Kami will get Dhatu Saudhya by
Sanadyantaha dhatavaha.
Sanadhyanta Dhatuva. Kami, Dhana, this lung will come by lung. Correct. then pratyas will come. So okay, now our pratyay is kami dhana ja. What will be the prakriya now hereafter?
Ni Shri Dhru Shubhyah Kartari Cha.
Okay. Just a second. Here, anta adesh only will happen. Correct. Kami dhana shli will come, and then ja is there. Ja we will replace by anta. Okay.
Jontah.
Kami dhana shli dhana anta.
Shli Luni.
Okay. Shli will come by shli lungi. Then
Ni Shri Dhru Shubhyah Kartari Cha.
Shri Drusru Kartaricham. Calm. Is the situation. What will happen? He will disappear by
Neraniti.
Neraniti. Okay. Now
Nau Chang Yupadhaya Hrasvaha.
Chang. Now Chang Upadhaya Haswaha. Assuming there is no Ni, there is Chang after that. The Upadha of Anga becomes Raswa. So Kam becomes Kam. Now
Changi.
Changi. Okay. Changi.
Aladisheshaha.
Radishekha.
Koho Choho. Uhoshtuho.
Oshchuhu.
Sanvat Laghuni Chang Pare Anaglopi.
Sanvalla Gunichang Parena Glope. Then
It will come Sanyataha.
Sanyataha.
Dirkho Laghoho.
Dirgho Lago.
Atogune. Chikamanta. Atku. Lung Lang Rung Shwadadatta. अचीकमन्त
कम धन तास. Previously also you know coming by
कमेर्नि
then काम is
उपधायाः
तत्र उपधायाः
सनाद्यन्ता धातवः
कामे आद्यन्ता धातवः कामे तास.
श्लीलुणि
श्रीलुङि
निश्रीदृशुभ्यः कर्तरि च
कर्तरि च
नेरनिटि
नेरनिति
ह्रस्व नौ चन्द्रूपधाया ह्रस्वः
नवचन्द्रूप तायाः
ह्रस्व
हम्म,
चङि वित्वा सन्वद्भाव
first ditva
चङि
then
सन्लग्नि चङ्करे लोके
first here we say Aladi then what
उभोष्टुः
now
सन्वल्लघुनि चङ्करे नग्लोके
परिणति
संयतः
अन्यतः
दीर्घ वै दीर्घो लघोः
दीर्घो लघुः
अट् आगम लुङ् लङ् लृङ् ष्वडदात्तः
संगं छोड़दात्तः
अचीकमथाः
अन्यतः कम निं
कमेर्नि
निर्णि
सनातनधातवः
अद्यन्त धातुः
आथाम् श्ली श्लीलुणि नि श्री दृश्रुभ्यः कर्तरि चङ्
च
शं शनि नेरनिटि
Then
ह्रस्व नौचं युपधाय ह्रस्वः चङि द्वित्वा हलादिशेषः कुहोश्रुः इकार सन्वल्लघुनि चम्परे न ग्लोपे
that will first.
संयतः that is where संयतः
Next is
संयतः संयत by संयतः इकार को लघुः
then
लुंग लंग रुंग स्वरदातः
now that we will put later. Here, anga is akarantana. The key comma up to that akarantanga is there. That's why
आतो आतो इयः
ato
एयः
Either.
आतो
then
लोपो व्योर्वलि
so put your body. But we come
लुंग लंग रुंग स्वरदातः चीक अमेथाम कमेयन्ति अत उपधायाः सनाद्यन्ताय धातवः ध्वम् श्ली
Sli
श्ली लोहि
Sli
निश्रुद्रुश्रुभ्यः कर्तरिच्छं कर्तरिच्छं नेरनिटि नपुचं युपधाय ह्रस्वः
now Changupa
धाय ह्रस्वः
Hmm?
Changi.
Changi, Hitwa,
हलादिशेषः
Adiksheshah, and Kuvachu. Hmm?
संवल्लभूनि चंपरे अग्लोपे
Sanvalaguni,
भूनि चंपरे अग्लोपे
Hmm?
संयतः
Sanyataha,
दीर्घो लघोः
Irgo Lagoho,
लुङ् लङ् लुङ् ष्वडगातः
Chikamatham. Then
खमेर्निङ्
Kamer, Ning, hmm?
अद उपधायाः सनाद्यन्ता धातवः
Hmm? Hmm? Next,
श्लीलुनि
Lilumi,
नी श्री द्रुश्रुभ्यः कर्तरि च
Ni, Shri, Dru,
द्रुश्रुभ्यः कर्तरि च
Kartaricham,
नेरनिटि
Neraniti,
नौ चङ्युपधाया ह्रस्वः
Auchangapadaya Hrasvaha,
चङि द्वित्वा
Sorry, Swamiji. When emergency call, I need to take some emergency. Is there medical emergency in first aid?
Okay. What does Ranau Changi Upadaya Rasva do?
after chang if there is ning if there is nang then upadha will become hrasva
After Chang, if there is,
nang
Kamerning, that
yes
oh,
it is given as now Swamiji it could be nich also I'm not sure
we can see the sutra right now. While we are waiting.
Vritti is given as chankare now yadangam tasya upadhayaha hrasvaha syat.
Yes. Come. Ji.
In this now chang upadhaya hrasvaha in that now means only nang or nich also can be taken.
nich also. It is just mentioned as ani, that means nich, aning, that is accepted. Both of these are expected.
Okay, thank you.
It is Saptami Apani.
Yeah, Saptami Apani. अच्छा ये right. So this will happen. The same prakriya will happen in the Nijanta prakriya also. There also this will happen. Now there, this ning is not there. Like kat dhatu is there, and normal nich pratyaya has come. And there also, because all the conditions get fulfilled, the achakathata, that's how the form comes. Should we move?
Yes, जी.
Come. Bhutva,
Changi.
Changi.
Haladisesh Kuhorsu.
Then
Sanatyan.
Sanvallabhuni champarena loke.
Laguni Champarena. So Sanvat Bhava is also अभ्यास अकारस्य इकारस्य दीर्घबाय
लघु
Dirgo Loko.
भाव विषय अभ्यास ह्रस्वस्य लघोः दीर्घस्य
लुंग लंग लुंग स्वरधात.
here and e guna will take place.
अची कमे आत्गुना.
Come ning
कमेर्निंग
learning
अत उपधायाः.
तो पधायाः
कामी सनाद्यन्ता धातवः.
अनाद्यन्ता वह
श्री नि श्री द्रुश्रुभ्यः कर्तरि च.
निश्चित शुद्ध कर्तरिचं next
नेरनिटि
मेरा निति
लघु नौ चंग उपधाया ह्रस्वः.
नौचंद्रः then
वा चंगी हलादिशेषः भूत्वा.
पोस्तुः
इकार संभाव संवल्लघूनि चंपरे न लोपे.
This Prakriya we need later for like Sanadi, San Pratyaya, then 10th Gana also we require. We will practice this. This is one of the most difficult Prakriya. Yeah. Yeah.
Saniyataha
Sannyataha.
Dirgha.
Dirgho logoho.
Dirgho lagoho.
Arthanga.
Sanval lagu नहीं चंग परे अनग लोपे. This sutra actually there is no change. If you see, right, means what's the impact of that sutra?
Just it is doing Atidesha. संवद भाव विषयक कार्यस्य अतिदेशः भवति नौ चंगी अनग्लोपे.
So after Kupashu, directly Sanyataha cannot come.
Actually, step by step, Sanyataha is only coming. But Sanyataha is coming, taking the base of the Sanval Laguni Champarena.
Taking the base.
Like Sanyataha requires sun, which is not.
So that this sutra will give Sanvad Bhav.
So, like in Prakriya, in steps, we can avoid Sanval Laguni Champarena Glope, like Paribhasha Sutra. Paribhasha Sutra, not all the time we mention. We just assume Paribhasha is there and that Pariya has happened. Or even sometimes Atidesha Sutra also, we just do not mention. That also we can do. But since this is one of the what Vishesha Sutra, that's why we are mentioning it.
And in Chang, we did Changi. Changi Sutra did not do. Changi Sutra does only Dvitva.
Yes, sir.
But not Sanvad.
No.
So we need that.
Avartan once again. Avartan for all sutra.
What is it? Avartan? No. Only this question was there. Like, what is the Vishesha Karya done by Sanvad Laguni? Only Sanvad Bhava is done by Sanvad Laguni.
Yes.
Without which Sanyataha will not come.
Will not come. And Dirgho Lagho also will not come.
Yes.
Okay. That is the Vishesha Karya. And strange thing about this sutra is it is giving multiple conditions mixed up with each other.
Right.
So that's why it is Vishesha.
So it is used only in these rupas.
Yeah, only in this particular condition it is.
So this sutra is not used much elsewhere.
No. Like actual prakriya when it will happen of niche etc. There it might not be used.
Because there is already Sanpat there.
No. Because these other conditions will not get fulfilled. Like too many conditions are there. Anaglop should be there. Chang also should be there.
Okay.
So wherever these conditions will get fulfilled, only will be happening. Could you move? You can move, no, Swamiji? We can. वही. What will come by?
लुङ् लङ् लुङ् षडधातः
Lung lung rung shodatta. Form is ready. Oh no,
Achi.
before that. Maybe Mahi.
अतो दीर्घो ययि
What do you go? And form is ready.
अचि कमा वहि
Once again, we will do this here. Come, ning,
कमेर्णि
ring. Then
अत उपधायाः
Saupathayaha.
सनाद्यन्ता धातवः वहि श्ली श्लीलुणि
Yelumi.
निश्रीदृशुभ्यः कर्तरि च
Ani. Group.
दृशुभ्यः कर्तरि च नेरणिति
Nearnity.
नौ चङ्युपधाया ह्रस्वः
Auchangupadhaya. Swaha.
द्वित्वा क्षमे
Shani.
हलादिशेषः कुहोस्तु संबल लघुनि चंग परे नग्लोपे ची संयतः ची नर्सी ची
Oh, sorry.
दीर्घो लघोः
Yirgo logo. Another bhag is here.
अम्मा
Logo divasta. Then
अटागम
come. Oh,
लुंग लंग लुंग षडधातः
Lung for that. Then
आची अतो दीर्घो ययि अची कमा महि
Achi kama mahi. So all forms will be with ning. Forms will be ning bhava pakshe rupani. Achi kamata. Achi kametam. Achi kamanta. Achi kamataha. Achi kametam. Achi kamadvam. Achi kame. Achi kama vahi. Achi kama vahi. Now ning will happen vikalpena. Once ning will not happen. आयादय अर्ध धातु के बाद अर्ध धातु के आयादय प्रत्ययः Va syu, vikalpena syu. Now when the ning will not happen, then what will happen? So ning bhava pakshe. Come.
Ji, halanta should not be there, na?
Kam dhana lung. Direct lung is coming. Ning is not coming. So that upadha, dirgha, vruddhi is not happening. Sanadyanta dhatu is not required. And come and lung will come. So kam dhana sa
Shli.
shli
Shli lung.
shli lungi. Here Shlehe sich is prapta, but there is one vartika. Vartika is here there is will be down. This prakriya we are supposed to do here after the logo, but we are doing here. This vartika is kamesh shlesh chang vaktavya. Kamehe shlehe chang vaktavya. We had brought chang in the place of chili by the sutra nishrit drusrubdha kartari chang. Nyamtat dhatoho shri dhatoho श्री द्रु धातोः श्रु धातोः एभ्यः श्लेः चंग भवति. That is the meaning of that sutra. निश्रित द्रुसृभ्यः कर्तरि चंग. ण्यन्तात् धातोः श्लेः चंग भवति. कम धातोः यदा णिङ् भवति तदा तस्मात् श्लेः चंग भवति. तत् शक्यं. किन्तु यदा णि न भवति अथवा यदा णि न भवति तदा किं कर्तव्यं? तर्हि तस्यां स्थितौ किं कर्तव्यं? तस्यां स्थितौ अपि श्लेहे चंग एव कर्तव्यः. How do we decide that? Because of this vartika. Vartika is saying kamehe shlehe chang vaktavyah. This vartika is saying that in general do chang adesha to chli of kam dhatu. That is the meaning. So otherwise kam dhana lung, kam dhana ta, kam dhana chli dhana ta, kam dhana chli would have turned into sich by chle sich. But because of this vartika, we turn the chli into sich only, whether there is any or not. This vartika is clear?
Yes, ji.
No. So rupa will be like this only. Kam dhana chang dhanata. Now vartika is there. What is vartika? Kamesh slash
Chang vachah.
Now what will happen?
Changi.
Changi.
Halali sheshaha uposhtuha.
Vastu.
Ataga. Lung lang rung shwadgataha.
Lung lang rung fudataha.
Acha kamata.
Acha kamata. Check. Same prakriya will be there. Go fast. Okay, orally we'll take. Kam dhatu is there. Kam dhana atam. Kam dhana chli dhana atam. Kam dhana chang dhana atam. Chang will come by chlesh chang vaktavya. Chlesh chang vachya. So kam dhana chang adhana atam. Kam dhana kam atam. Kakam atam. Chakam atam. Chakam chakama. Anga is akaranta, so A will turn into E. Yakar will disappear by lopo vyorvali. Itam. Chakama itam. At will come by lung lang rong chodo datta. Achakama itam. Achakame itam. That's how the form will be there. Kam dhana jha. Jhontah. Kam dhana anta. Kam dhana chli dhana anta. Kam dhana chang dhana anta. Kamesh slash chang vakta vachya. Kam dhana chang dhana anta. Kam dhana a dhana anta. A will remain. Kam a anta. Changi. Kam a anta haladisheshah. Chakam a anta kohchu. And chakam anta atogune. At agama by lunglang lung shodo datta. Achakam anta. Achakam anta. And the form is ready. Achakamanta. Kam dhana thas. Kam dhana chli dhana thas. Kam chang thas. Kamesh slash chang vaktavya. Kam a thas. Kam a thas. Changi dvitva. Kakam a thas. Haladisheshah. Chakam a thas. Kohoschuhu. Chakam a thas. Then at agama by lunglang rong shodo datta. Achakam a thas. Achakamathaha. Sasavishorhu kharvasanayoru visarjaniya. Kam dhana atham. Kam chli atham. Chli lungi. Kam chang atham. Kamesh slash chang vaktavya partikam. Kam a atham. Changi dvitva. Kakam a atham haladisheshah. Chakam a atham pohoschuh. Chakam a I tham. Anga is akaranta, so I adesha will happen to A by sutra atonitah. Lopo vyorvali yakar will disappear. Cha kam a itham. Then at agama by lunglang rung shodo datta. A cha kam a itham. Between a and E, the guna will take place by ad guna. Achakam a tham. Form is ready. Achakame tham. Kam dhana dvam. Kam chli dvam. Chli lungi. Kam chang dvam. Kamesh slash chang vaktavya vartikam. Vacha. Kam a dvam. Changi dvitvam. Kakam a dvam. Haladisheshah. Chakam a dvam. Kohoschuhu. At chakam a dvam. Lunglang rung shodo datta. Form is ready. Achakamadvam. Kam dhana I. Kam chli I. Chli lungi. Kam chang I. Kamesh slash chang vaktavya. Kamesh slash chang vachya vartikam. Then kam a I. Kakam a I. Dvitva by changi haladisheshah. Kakam a I. Then chakam a I. Kohoschuhu. Chakam a I. Between a and E, guna will take place ad guna. A. So chakam A. At will come by lunglang rung shodo datta. Achakame. Achakame. Kam dhana wahi. Kam chli wahi. Chli lungi. Kam chang wahi. Kamesh slash chang vachya partikam. Kam a wahi. Changi dvitva. Kakam a wahi. Haladisheshah. Chakam a wahi. Pohoschuhu. Chakam a will become dirgha a. Chakam a wahi by ato dirgho yahi. At will come by lunglang rung shodo datta. At that a chakam a wahi. Form is ready. Achakama wahi. Kam dhana mahi. Kam chli mahi. Kam chang mahi. Kamesh slash chang vachya. Kam a mahi. कम कम अ मही, द्वित्व बाय चंगी, ककम अ मही, हलादिशेषः, चकम अ मही, कोहश्चुः, चकम आ मही, अतो दीर्घो यही, अट आगम बाय लुंगलंग द्रुंग छोड़ुदात्तः, अचकमा मही. So, all forms will be acha kamata, acha kametam, acha kamanta.
जी आचकमत म
acha kamata. acha kamathaha, acha kametham, acha kamadvam, acha kame, acha kamamahi, acha kamamahi. निंग भाव पक्षे, निंगा भाव पक्षे. Rupas are clear?
एस जी.
Now we will move to the next prakriya. Achakamata, this is lung lakara. Done. Next is lung lakara. Come, dhana, aning will come. Aning will come by
कमेरने
merning. Kam, e.
अत उपधायाः
Ato padhaya. Kami,
सनाद्यन्ता धातवः
tanadhyasta dhatava. Kami, dhana, rung. Rung will come by
लिङ् निमित्ते लृङ् क्रियातिपत्तौ
ling nimittel rung priyati pattav. Okay. Now, kami, dhana, to. Okay, pratyay.
श्ली श्ली sorry
No. Sia will come by
स्यतासील् रुलुटोः
Satasi Lulutu.
आदेशु प्रत्ययोः चितात्मनेपदानां टेरे
No. Kami, Dhana, Sia is Valadi Ardhatu Pratyay. Kitagamo will happen. By
आर्धधातुकस्य द्वलादेः
Ardhatu ka set Valadi. Then
आदेशु प्रत्ययोः
before that, Itya will.
आदेशु प्रत्यये
Then
सार्वधातुक अर्धधातुकयोः
Sarvadhatu Kardhatu Kayo.
एचोयवायावः
Echo Yava
लुङ् लङ् लृङ् षडदात्तः
Lung Lam Dung Purata. Form is ready. Kama.
ईष्यत
We'll derive the forms first and then we will connect it. So, it agama is going to happen. So, Ishyata, Then
Ishyeta,
Ishyetam.
Ishyanta.
Yanta.
Ishyanta. Ishyataha. Ishyatam. Ishyatam.
Ishye,
Hmm?
Ishyamavahe,
Ishya-
Shyamahi.
Ishyama. Sya is Vikarana Pratyaya and Sya is Akaranta. So till Sya, the Anga will be Akaranta. Akarantatvat, Atom itah, Atam and Atham, A will be replaced by E. Yakar will be removed by Lopo Viyorgo. So then Anta Jhontaha, Anta Akara and Sya Yakarottarvarti Akara Atogune will take place. Then Ishye here यकारोत्तरवर्ती अकार and it प्रत्यय इकार आद्गुणः गुण will take place. इष्यावहि इष्यामहि यकारोत्तरवर्ती अकार will become दीर्घ by अतो दीर्घ यही. Swamiji, any questions, Swamiji?
No.
Now forms will be and the prakriya up to this akamaya, up to this akamai, this prakriya is normal for all the forms. So forms will be kama ishyata,
Akamayishyata, Akamayishyetam, Akamayishyanta, Akamayishyataha, Akamayishyetam, Akamayishyadham, Akamayishye, Akamayishyavahi, Akamayishyamahi.
this is Ardha Dhatuka. So optionally ending will not happen. So earning bhava pakshe, what will happen? Kam dhana rung by lingte
Lung kriyati prattav.
kriyati prattav. Then forms the pratyas are same. Prakriya only that kami kamai that prakriya will not happen. Kam will remain as it is. So pratyas okay, huh? One we will do. Kam dhana
Yeah, Karana
kam dhana ya dhana da. Se will come by
Syatasil Ruluto.
Satasil Zuluto. Then kam dhana it dhana ya dhana ta.
आर्धधातु का सीट बना दे.
आधा धातु का सेट बना दे हैं. Then at kam ishya ta.
लंग 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 खजनातः आदेश प्रत्ययो.
Lang rung thoda datta. Then adesha. Form is ready. Kamishya. Pratyas are same. Ishyata, Ishyatam, Ishyanta. And forms will be Akamishyata,
Agamishyedam,
Mishyatam,
Agamishyanta,
Ishyanta,
Agamishyathaha,
Akamishyataha,
Agamishyetham, Agamishyadhvam, Agamishye, Agamishyavahi, Agamishyamahi.
So here, Kam Dhatu is over. Next is Aya Dhatu. That we will start in the next class. Should we stop here, Swamiji?
Yes. Oh.
ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ। हरि ओम स्वामी।
Oh.
Om Ji.